Hi, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today, we're going to be baking double chocolate banana muffins. So, let's grab your bananas and jump right in. In a bowl, add your mashed banana, canola oil, vanilla essence, egg, and milk. Then mix it together thoroughly with a fork or whisk. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit and bake. Let's put this bowl to one side and in another add your self-raising flour, cocoa powder, chocolate chips, sugar, and baking soda. Then we mix this until it's a lightish brown colour. Back to the first bowl, we add the dry ingredients to it and then fold them in until they're just combined, as if you overdo it then your muffin will be too dense. Now we evenly distribute the mixture in a muffin tin greased with butter. This mixture makes either 6 jumbo sized, 12 standard or 24 mini sized muffins. However, personally I prefer the jumbo sized muffins. Having filled each tin, top up each one so they'll bake evenly. Next, we put them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. After the muffins have finished baking in the oven, take them out and let them sit for 5 or so minutes in the tin. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to finish cooling. I hope that you enjoyed learning how to bake double chocolate banana muffins with me today. Don't forget to leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see made, along with hitting that subscribe button to stay informed when the next video comes out of the oven. So, until next time, enjoy the kitchen.